Today I'm going to be showing you a color melt utilizing Pulp Riot Semis and hair extensions. What's up everybody? My name is Kelly Martin. I'm Kelly Awesome Sauce on Instagram and TikTok. So, have any of you had clients come in behind the chair that are looking for something maybe a little bit more exciting in their life, but they don't want to lighten their hair? They don't want to compromise it. They don't know how the color is going to fade. Is it going to fade true to tone? Isn't it? So, I have an answer for you. Today I'm going to show you utilizing extensions how we can up our game by utilizing semis and introducing them to the world of creative color with hair extensions. So we're going to be utilizing Sorcery mixed into a blend of clear and dark matter for one of our peekaboos, and then another one will be a blue color melt that's going to be Ice Skater mixed into Blue Tux, which is our lighter blue. So both of these will give our client the option to show little pops of color while still maintaining a lot of their natural hair color. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips for coloring extensions, starting with the tray. So as you can see here, we've already lined the tray with aluminum foil. This is to ensure that you don't get any color on your tray during the color application with the Pulp Riot Semis. So once that's laid out and taped down, then you can start layering your extensions down one by one onto your tray table. I like to take a fine-tooth comb once they're set down and comb through the extensions just to make sure there are no knots in the extensions, and also to make sure that all of the color will move through seamlessly. I have two different colors that I'm gonna be utilizing today, and we're utilizing cooler tones. So I am starting with a mixture on the ends for my purples that is 30 grams of clear and about 3 grams of dark matter. So I'm gonna start with this color that's going to be on the ends, and I'm actually going to swipe that color down onto my extensions first. The reason that I'm doing that is because that's gonna anchor the extensions onto my aluminum foil. Once you do that, you can start to roll the hair back and forth by swiping side to side, making sure you're getting even saturation from the back and the front of the hair extension. So you'll continue to do that, moving vertically and horizontally, rolling your brush back and forth on the extensions until you get about halfway up the hair strand. Once you do, you can go in with your next formulation. So our darker formulation is going to be Sorcery, which is like a true indigo color. And that color will fade true to tone on hair and make a nice seamless purple-blue blend for our extensions. So starting at the top with our Sorcery, I'm actually gonna swipe in an upward direction first onto the hair extensions, also anchoring that taped section into place. Once I do that, I'll move back downward in a vertical section, and then same thing, roll your brush back and forth horizontally, making sure that you're getting even saturation from the back and front of the hair strand. And if you're ever unsure if you're getting enough saturation from the back to the front, you can either reach for your comb again, or you can utilize the best tools that you have, your hands. So with our anti-overworking formulation, it's impossible for you to overwork the hair color. So you can truly use your fingers and move your hands back and forth to make sure that you're getting saturation onto the hair. If you see that there's not enough color being deposited, then you can reach for your brush again and redeposit the pigment. So I'm gonna keep working this product back and forth into the hair. We are going to be coloring another cool set of extensions utilizing Blue Tux, and Iced Skater. So Iced Skater is going to be our deeper toned blue. So we're gonna start again with the lighter tone first, making sure that we're anchoring our extensions to the aluminum foil, making sure that's anchored. Just continue to swipe back and forth so that you're rolling the hair and covering the back and front of the hair strand. Really making sure to work the color into the extensions. So now that we have that application done, I'll reach for my Iced Skater. I'm gonna put a little bit of color on the brush, and then I'm going to swipe in an upward direction first to anchor that extension, and then I'll swipe in a downward motion to get that saturation. Same thing, moving back and forth along the hair strand. So once again, we will lift our first extension, flip it over, make sure you're pulling that color through. That's also gonna give you a nice seamless blend. Use your fingers. And now that that's fully saturated, we can let this process 25 to 40 minutes, and then we will rinse these in high pressure, cold water. I have taken a diagonal back section in the front section of her hair. Before I actually place the tape into her hair, I just want to make sure that there's enough hair in the front of her hairline that if we placed the extension here, you would not be able to see it from the front if she were to pull her hair up. I can start my placement of her first tape. Coming in with our blue color melt, we're gonna go right back in, and we're going to do the same exact thing on the opposite side of her hair, except we will alternate doing blue, purple, and then blue. Thank you so much for tuning in. We really appreciate you being here and checking out this education with us. And once again, my name is Kelly Martin. I'm Kelly Awesome Sauce on Instagram and TikTok. This is my beautiful model and coworker Fee, and we really appreciate you being here. Go pick up your Pulp Riot Semis now.